Frequency in FX trading channel, and in today's video I'm just going to be outlining the video I made yesterday, and I'm going to be talking full in details about what I explained about the asset boom crash 1000 index. However, this is just for the asset boom 1000 index. And you know what I did here now? I did the same thing I did yesterday. I went a lot size of trade, full margin in it. Well, with the full margin I went, but one rule I didn't stick to, however, is the fact that I didn't trade exactly four, exactly the H4 time frame analysis I derived for everybody yesterday. And for the H4, this is just a new time frame we got into. Time currently in my country is 10:28 a.m. But this is just gonna be for the reference purpose. This is a demo account, but the reason I opened a trade was just so I could be live in a trade, so you see how it goes. Mind you, if it goes lost, this is not the aim of um, this whatsoever, this trade. So you know what I wanted to do? I just wanted to over all the way to the H4 time frame, so you see the accuracy of the trade of which I touched yesterday. So when you see the accuracy of the trade of which I taught yesterday, you know that it works, right? Of course. I'm gonna take you all the way to the four. This is the four. If this was the 4 hour time frame, right? This was 4 a.m., which indicates that the market started out from this point. This, of course, the 4 a.m. time frame. The market started out from this point, and after that, it started from this point. Look, I told us we were only looking for about 25 pips. But you know what we got here? We got more than 50. And that's great, right? That's great. But 25 pips from where we took the trade from, I'm just going to show you what it is. However, this is 25 pips from here. This is 37. 25 pips on a full margin is a lot of money. So you always want to make sure you're 25 pipping the trade you're taking. So my 25 pips, of course, of the five lot size, if I was in the 25 pips, my take profit level is going to be this point. This is what I want to show you right now. That's the chart doing its thing over there. I'm just gonna show you what my take profit is gonna be. If it was just 25 pips, it would have been a 5 USD on. I'll just use my calculator to know where my take profit level would be and how much I'll be cashing out if I get a 25 pips. All right, so I'll say 20. I'll be using my calculator, and in my calculator I'll check if 0.20 gives us, let's just say 0.20 equals 0.20 equals how much? Equals $5 per 25 pips. No, no, no. This is not something of the calculator. Um, I'll just say 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 times 5. Well, that's another long gradient calculation. The best way out is just trying to modify this order using the 25 pips shit, and I know I'm gonna be doing it well. When I try to modify it, the chart is gonna give me an automated notebook that is gonna show me where my take profit is gonna be at. Nope, this is kind of very risky when you trade in full margin. However, if you're trading with just $20, you got $200. You want to take out this, you want to take $20 out of your $200 and try this shit out. You try it out. Markets can spike beyond $500 and more. But this is how you make money from trading boom and spikes. Because when you trade continuation and the market spikes, you do not have control over your stop loss, right? You do not have control over your stop loss. So the market can spike more than you intended to lose. For instance, if you had $200 in total, now look at what happened here. This was exactly what I'm talking about. If you had $200 in your account, right? But you decided to only take $5 away from it. This is a demo account, please, and the loss you see here is from a demo standpoint. Just so you know, you got $200 in your real account, okay, and you wanted to trade boom and crash. You know what you could have done? What you could have, you see, you could have just taken out $20 out of the $200, Take it, put it in your MetaTrader 5 account and going full margin on 20 US dollar, anticipating for a 25 pips. All right. So this might not be able. The best place to check this out from is the charts.deriv.com, and that's where I'm going right now. So I'm gonna take you all over there, and I'll just explain the strategy in an outline form. So what you got $200 and you wanted to just gamble on the boom and crash stuff. You wanted to trade against the spike. If you took out your $20 and you went full margin, of course we do not know how much would be delivered us for a full margin trading with a lot size on that account $20. Unless I check, I just tried out here. I see. Let me take you back to the MetaTrader 5 web version. Of course, I told you this was a demo account. So what I want to do is close this trade right now. I closed it. Let's say you, for instance, wanted to risk. You had $1,000, but you wanted to risk. You didn't want to risk beyond what you can afford to lose. I mean, imagine you only had $20 in this account, right? The stop loss that spiked up took out $100, but if it was just $20 in your account, the stop loss, despite Doe went $100, he might have just taken only the $20 you put in the account, and that would have been, and that's the cheat code um, of trading the boom and crash index. Look at this. We're trying to see the full margin for $85 account, and we do not know unless we keep trying to see how much. All right. So of course, if you were on a $200 account, your full margin would have been up to five lot size, but five. But $85 cannot give you a full margin of 5 USD. That's kind of you cheating the broker if you're trying to take out $5. If you're trying to use an five lot size on the 85 USD account. So what you can do is go full margin, right? You turn five. We're just looking for the most alternate full margin here, just so we can gamble this account to its extreme. And all we know is that all we have here is $85, and if it spikes, we were trying to avoid and spikes in a very possible way as we can. We're trying to avoid in the spikes. So the spike could spike with this lot size and just open. Of course, on the 82 and the $85 account, you can use a maximum lot size of one lot size. You can use a minimum. This is the maximum for you. When you go beyond two lot size, it's gonna tell you not enough money. Because I just want to go for a more lot size. I want to do it like this. I want to do it like this. I want to just see. I want to see how more I can, trade on this one. And I went very low, and I went very low, and coming very low here. It's the 0.2. All right, guys, I'll be stopping this video now for a reason, but the third time I'm gonna be coming here is gonna be part three of this video. So stay tuned till I make the third video. Stay tuned. I'll be back. All these trades are live. This is the part two of the video. So the part three is gonna be coming all the way to your doorstep on my YouTube channel. See to it that you like, subscribe, share my videos, and like. All right, just subscribe. That's the most important here. And the more you subscribe, the more you get access to more videos like this. See you in the part two. This is just a short video, and I'll be back very soon. Bye for now. Frequency and FX trading.